Hello, my name is Gerd Burmester. I'm from Berlin, a rheumatologist from Germany, and it's a pleasure for me to talk to you about the SEMIRA trial that we did to address two important questions. First of all, is it safe to withdraw glucocorticoids from patients who have been on that drug for quite a while? And secondly, what about the efficacy if you lose that particular drug in a clinical trial? So what we did is we investigated patients who were on low disease activity on tocilizumab, which we took as the biological DMARD, and these patients were in addition on a stable dose of 5 milligrams of prednisone. So then we withdrew prednisone in one group. It was blinded. No one knew if it was withdrawn or not. And we tapered it down from 5 to 4 to 3 to 1 to 0 over the period of 6 months. The other group, in a blinded fashion, continued to have the drug on board. What were the results? Well, it was quite interesting that the group who continued to take the glucocorticoid did somewhat better. So there was a difference in the DAS28 ESR of 0.6% versus the group that tapered the glucocorticoids. You may say that is not a lot because it's only 0.6, but you may also say, well, it's a significant amount. The next very important item we found is there was not a single patient who had any adrenal insufficiency symptoms in this particular withdrawal scheme. So it looks as, at least in these patients, going from 5, next month 4, next month 3, and so on to 0, appears to be quite safe. When we looked at the final additional endpoint, there was clinical success. That was still in low disease activity, no adrenal sufficiency, no flares. It was roughly 75% of patients who continued prednisone were in that group, while, I mean, it's a significant number, 2/3 of those who had tapered it were also in that group of clinical success. So what is the message of the study? Yes, you can withdraw, you can offer it to the patient. In 2/3 it works. It may work a little bit better in terms of efficacy in those who continued, but I think it's worth offering the patients using that scheme to discontinue glucocorticoids.